Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to write multiple JSX expression into one JavaScript variable. Okay, so if I try writing another paragraph tag or a h1 tag, let me write a h1 tag here. And try running this program by saving it and go to Babel. You're going to see adjacent JSX elements must be wrapped in an enclosing tag. Okay, so what enclosing tag means is whenever I try to write more than one JSX expression, I have to enclose them within a division tag. So I'll enclose the h1 tag and the paragraph tag within a closing and opening division tag. So if I save it now and go to Babel, you can see the change is detected. And in the script file also the change is detected. You can see there's division created, and within that division there's a h1 tag and p tag. Okay, so that's how you write more than one uh, JSX expression into one JavaScript variable. Okay, so let me go ahead and indent this code properly. Let me write everything into one line. Okay, and let me put these within common braces like this. So now you can see the code is indented properly, and you can tell everything is in one line, and it will be easier for you to debug. So always follow such a structure when you create the JSX expression. Okay, so the next thing that I thought was um, how to use variables, functions, or anything that's written in the JavaScript file into the JSX expression. So if I create a string called as username and I equate it to test user or something like that, then to use that in my JSX expression here, I can create another p tag, and in that p tag, if I wish to display the test user here, um, I can do that by opening and closing curly braces and writing the variable name within that. So if I save this, you can see the change is detected, and if I try to run it on live server, you can see the output is as expected. Okay, so we can use any kind of variable. It can be an object or an array or anything. So let me create an array and an object. Okay, so to create an array, you open and close square brackets and you write the different elements of the array. Within the array. Okay, so the next thing is to display this array in another paragraph tag. So if I open it up in Chrome, you can see 1, 2, 3 shows up. Okay, and then if I create another object. Okay, so if Vasavi and Ankit don't know what an object is, I'm going to put a link in this video. So open that link and refer once. Okay, so object basically is grouping data related to a particular entity. Okay, so I can create an object called as person, and I can write in every detail of that person within this object, so it'll be easy for me to use in the throughout the application. Okay, so object is created by using a key value pair. So if I create a key, and the value can be anything. The value can be a string, it can be a number, it can be an array, and it can be an object as well. It can be a function too. So let me create a string first. Okay, and to separate different key value pairs, you separate it using commas. Okay, so let me create another key, and let me name it as a number, and let me assign it to any number. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is create an array. Okay, so now that I don't want to add any key value pair, I don't have to write a comma here. Okay, so to access any individual key from the object, I can do something like this. Okay, within curly braces, if I have to access, for example, the number from the person, from the object person, I have to write something like person dot the key's name that is number. So I expect 25 to show up in the screen, and you can see 25 shows up. Okay, okay, so now let me teach you guys about conditional rendering. Conditional rendering, all of you must know about if operator. I think it's a pretty common thing. So I can use if statements in JavaScript as well. I can use the question mark ternary operator in here, and I can use the double ampersand operator also. Okay, so let me teach you how to use the ternary operator. Okay, so it's basically a shorthand syntax for if else statement. Okay, so let me create a JavaScript expression. Okay, to check if number is greater than 20 or not. Okay, so to do that, I have to access this number from the object person. So person dot number. I have to check if it's greater than 20. Okay, if it's greater than 20, I use a ternary operator. The true condition is going to be a paragraph tag displaying above 20, and if the person dot number is not greater than 20, I use the else condition or the colon in this case to display another paragraph tag or a h1 tag. Please enter a number above 20. Okay, so obviously if I try to run this code, nothing is going to show up. So let me, because the only the template variable is getting rendered, the source is template, so I have to go ahead and copy this inside my template variable, otherwise it won't get rendered. Okay, so there is no need to surround this with a paragraph tag, because it checks for a condition. If this condition is true, then it displays above 20. If it's not, then it displays the h1 tag. So Ankit, make sure to not enclose everything within a paragraph tag, not make sure to not include your conditional renders inside the paragraph tag. Okay, so if I save this file, you can see above 20, and if I change the number to say 19 and save it, you can see please enter a number above 20. Okay. Okay, so now that we're done with a question mark operator or the ternary operator, okay, now let me go and teach you something over the double ampersand operator. Okay, so let me do another conditional rendering here. And let me use the AND operator. Okay, so first let me explain how the ampersand operator works. Okay, it checks if the condition on the left hand side, that is the condition that will come in here, is true or not. If it's true, then whatever is written on the right hand side will get rendered. Okay, if the condition on the left hand side is false, nothing will happen. So if you ever run into a case where you don't have to do anything if the condition is false, this is an excellent option. Okay, so for example, let me change the options array into an empty array. Okay, and on the left hand side, let me write a condition. Okay, so if I write if if the length of, okay, so if I, okay, so if I have to count the number of elements that are there in an array, I use the length function. But even if I have to count the number of characters that are there in a string, I use the length operation. Okay, length function. Okay, so length function. Even, okay, so okay, now that I've changed this into an empty array, okay, I'm going to teach you something about the length function. Okay, so if I ever have to check the number of characters in a string, the length of the string, or the length of the array, the number of elements that are there in the array, I use the length function. Okay, so you can go and check that in MDN. So you can see the length property of a string object indicates the length of a string. So I can just count the number of characters in a string by using dot length after the string's name. So if I have to calculate the number of elements that are there in the option array, I use person dot options dot length. Okay, so I'm going to check if person dot options dot length is lesser than 0. If it's lesser than 0, I want to display a paragraph tag saying double ampersand operator worked fine. Okay, so if I go back into the option, or the our final output, and if I save this, okay, I'm sorry, first let me cut this and paste it into the template variable, and if I save this, okay, so there must be an error somewhere. Okay, I think I have to use the lesser than or equal to operator here. Okay, you can see and worked fine. Okay, so if I add any element in here, then you can see that is not displayed. That's why you use the double ampersand operator. Okay, so the next thing